In this video, I will show you how to set up family group on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you locate your contact icon on your Android phone. Go ahead and click on contacts. And the next thing you want to do to scroll down right here, simply click on family group right here. And it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on get started right here. Then here you go. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on set up a family group. And here you go. Reply to be a family manager right here. Make sure you click on confirm right here. And then go ahead and click on give allow. Right here. So you have, by default, you have some names and phone number right here. You can review. If you see any of your family member right here, you can send them a request, or better still, you can skip on right now. And then you are done. You are all set. So go ahead and click on got it right here. And a family account has been successfully created, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.